Okay, so say you have to get out in this weather, which we know a lot of you do that are up early with us. What happens if you do get stranded out on the road?
We have seen plenty of emergency responders out and about to help, but what do you do while you wait, right? So according to the Indiana Department of Homeland Security, the best step number one is simple. Please stay inside your car and then signal for help. So either throw on those hazard lights, or they say you can hang a bright colored cloth from the antenna or window of your car. Next up, conserve your batteries as long as you can and turn off your car lights and radio when the engine is off too, and only try to run that engine 10 minutes or so every hour to help you stay warm. Some good tips there.
That's why it's a good idea to be traveling with a blanket and other things in your car, because it is way cold to have the car off for that extended period of time.